Food Wars, I guess we're gonna have to take a look at the show to find out what it's about before we decide if and what we're gonna even make from it.
Would you care to try a brand new dish I created earlier today? I think you'll really like it.
Are you sure? I would love to try it.
It's fried peanut butter squid tentacles.
Huh? Mayu!
He's not doing this again!
He may be taking it too far this time!
Why don't you take a little bite? It's so putrid, you're gonna freak.
You guys watch this show? Alright, all jokes aside, I actually did watch a few episodes of the show. It wasn't that bad, it was pretty good. I'm probably gonna watch some more. So I guess we'll do something from the first episode. I wanted to do the duck, but we'll do something from the first episode, something that's very well known. The peanut butter squid.
Squid tentacles and peanut butter. This is so nasty.
Soma!
We're gonna try something a little bit different today, guys. I'm gonna be a little picture, a little movie picture, right next to the main focus of the thing, of the video, that thing up there. And I'm gonna talk, and I can talk to you while we're just breaking down Squid. Nothing super crazy, but I figure we'll try this out. We'll see if people like it. All right, simple squid peanut butter, nothing fancy. It's not bad, but it's not good. It's not that bad, but it's not that good. It's nothing. It tastes like peanut butter on top of a rubber ducky. Peanut butter on top of a rubber ducky. So now we're going to attempt to make a better version of that, which I think is not going to be that hard. There's Thai peanut sauce. So we can make a Thai peanut sauce. It's very Thai, very much Asian. It shouldn't be that difficult. I also wanted to do, I had this black ramen sitting in the cabinet for so long. I got it, I saw it in the store, and I was like, oh my god, we gotta do something with this, right? So I picked it up a long time ago, and I was like, I don't even know what we could do with this. I'm trying to think. I'm like, maybe we could use it for Halloween. I got another thing that we could use for Halloween now. But I was like, I want to try to at least use this for something. Does it taste like regular ramen? Does it taste different? I think it tastes different anyway, just because it's made with different ingredients. But I wanted to try that as well. I'm also doing two different kinds of squid. I'm doing just the regular grilled squid, the regular grilled squid. And then I'm doing flour, egg, and panko breadcrumbs for squid, rings? Squiddy rings? Squid rings, okay. Also, it's super easy to take the outside skin off the squid. Some people like it like that, some people don't. I figured we would do, when we battered and fried the squid, we would use that. And then when we use the tentacles, then we have the color of, sometimes it's nice to have color, right? To have the purple color on there. If nothing else, I think we at least get a gold sticker for presentation. Presentation is good. I hope it tastes good. I think it should taste fine. It's Asian food, it's noodles, and it's Thai peanut sauce. It's already a thing for a reason. Peanut sauce already exists. It's an Asian thing, and we can eat it. And we can eat it. Okay, how very nice. Let's go. I want to try to get a thing of all of it. I'm trying to get a bite of all of it, and it just made it look like a giant mess now. Okay, giant mess. Here we go. How does the giant mess taste? You know, aside from this looking a little bit weird, this is definitely not disgusting. You could put this on the menu at a restaurant easily. It's weird with just the squid and the peanut butter, but as soon as you turn it into a Thai peanut sauce, it makes sense. Like I said, it's something that's been around before. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to try out the recipe for yourself, then you can eat it with your mouth. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's it for this one. I will see you as always in the next one. try it again. I'm kind of worried I might get demonetized for this video. If I like it too much, then what if my clothes fly off and I start grow wings and start flying around the screen? I can imagine that, and I don't want to get demonetized, so I might have to just eat a little bit at a time and try to temper my clothes flying off.